my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a super simple, super minimal hot summer day look. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been my A1 since day one, welcome back. I am so happy to see you here. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Already done my brows off camera. This look today only requires a few products and absolutely no foundation. Because we're doing the bare minimum to our face, we want to bring some boldness to the eyes. So you'll need a liquid eyeliner. The liquid liner that I'm using today is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I did my liner off camera. If you guys want a dedicated, in-depth tutorial on how I do my wing liner on almond-shaped eyes, and yes, eye shape matters, it definitely does, please let me know in the comments below. Before we apply false lashes, we need to curl our natural lashes so they blend with the falsies better. My favorite eyelash curler is the Picture Perfect eyelash curler from Tarte Cosmetics. Sorry for the super weird faces, guys. I like to blow dry my eyelash curler a little to really give my eyelashes an upturned curled look. You don't want to make your eyelash curler too hot because you will burn your eyelashes out and that'll be so tragic. What is life without lashes? Today I'm going to be wearing my Lilly lashes in the style Miami. I like to place my lashes as close to the base of my eyelid as possible. I then take the corner of the lash and drag it toward the end of my eyes, further giving me that cat's eye effect that I'm definitely going for. I like to conjure my inner Eartha Kitt. And oh my gosh, y'all, this mascara is bomb. It creates lashes that aren't really even there. It is the queen of deception, the belle of the ball, the mascaras of mascara, honey. If you do not have this in your collection, then what is you doing? In this look, the most important things are how snatched your brows are and how well you glow. For highlight, I'm using the ABH Liquid Glow in Bronze. I'm using a fluffy blending brush to apply my highlighter base. Is it just me, or do you feel your inner baddie, alter ego coming out when you apply highlighter? Like, yes, Milan, do your ish. Milan is my alter ego, by the way, guys. You want that base to be seamless and blended, honey, because we're gonna put some more highlighter over top of that. Yes, more highlighter. Next up in the world of highlighters is the HBIC of highlighters, and that is the MAC Gold Deposit Highlighter. And I'll be applying that with my Morphe highlighter brush. For lips, I'm going to be using the contour kit in the darkest shade to line my lips. This blends so easily. As you can see, I'm feeling this look so far. I'm striking poses and whatnot. Y'all ignore my blatant favoritism. I know y'all can clearly see that I don't need any more lip plumping going on, but I'm going to use that NYX Liquid Lip Plumper in the shade Jessica. And voila, this is the finished look. See, I told you it would be super simple. I love makeup, no makeup looks just as much as I love a full-on beat down on a face. Balance, honey, balance. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for another Bailey Edwards tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification button so you'll know what's coming from me next. Share this info with the friends if you found it helpful. Until next time, guys, slay on.